So what is the factorial of a number? The factorial of any number is the product of all the positive integers of a given number. So if you're asked to find the factorial of 5, this is simply the same thing as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So how do we go about solving this problem? We don't know the factorial of 5, but one thing we know is the factorial of 0 is the same thing as 1. So this is going to serve as our base case. So I'm going to start by defining a function named factorial. So I'm going to have def factorial. And this is going to contain a parameter num. So this is the number that you want to determine the factorial. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to establish the base case. In this case, I'm going to write if num is equal to 0, then return 1. Then we'll have an else clause where we're going to have else. We can return num multiplied by factorial, and then we'll have num minus 1. So this is going to return it. So this becomes the recursive steps. So this is going to continually call on the factorial function until it gets to this base case where num is equal to 0, and it is going to return 1. So let's call the function and determine whether it can accurately determine the factorial of a number. So I'm going to have result is equal to factorial. And here we're going to have 5. So let me go ahead and print the result. So if I say print result and run the program, it is going to give me 120, which is the factorial of 5. So let's change it to 4. This is going to give us the factorial of 4, which is 24.